Greetings everyone. Today I am going to show you data consolidation in MX Excel. So here I have a student report of 2001 and a student report of 2015. So what we will do first, we will choose the cell. This is D4, and in the results you have to choose the only cell D4. Now you have to apply the formula function sum bracket, and you have to click the cell and click on shift and then click to 2015. In the function bar you can see how it came out, and your answer is here. Now we will try one more. So the same cell I have chosen and applying the formula there, and then shift and click. You have to click this, and on the same cell you clicked on results, and then go to the result and close the bracket. Now you see this is my answer. Thanks for watching.